So dear students who are interested in uh, the analysis of car sales data using Tableau. Now here I am having the the dimensions like manufacturer, model, vehicle type, and then measures like fuel capacity, fuel efficiency, and so on. Now say I am interested in a field which I need to formulate here itself. Say I am interested in horsepower to price ratio, but these two columns are available, but I don't have that, so I can go by the calculated field. So in this calculated field I can write it is a power to price ratio. Now here I will type it is horsepower and divided by the price, the field which is there. Now the Tableau workspace will respond me that the calculation is valid. I will say OK and OK to this. Now see here the different functions which are available, that list is also here. So you can explore these functions like absolute and then trigonometric functions and so on. So now I am interested in plotting this calculated field against the the manufacturers. So I got it like this. So if I need to sort it, again I will go with this or maybe with this option. Now what I can conclude here, prior to that I will change it to column format. Now here I can say that the power to price ratio, that is 95.66, is maximum for the Dodge and then Ford and so on. So now it is a descending trend for this. So this is how we can apply the calculated field.